Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ivan and today we're continuing the build on the RV. Michael got the seat cushions done. Next thing we want to do is work on the bathroom. So we got the walls for the shower we got to install. We got a little bit of tile work we got to do. You guys will see what we got for it. But we want to try to finish up the bathroom, get the toilet installed, and just get it wrapped up. So let's just get straight to work. Okay, so we're here inside the bathroom. We're ready to install the bottom little tub piece, and then we'll start measuring out the walls. Okay, so here we have it. We actually got this wall completely done. It's looking really good. And this other wall is done. So the next thing to do is start doing the plumbing work. So we got the little shower thing to put in. We got the little handle part to put in. And we'll go from there. Okay, so here we have it. We got the shower handles and the top thing installed, the shower head. I don't know, we might have to switch something up because this is a little low for me. So maybe we could flip it and have it come up a little higher. That would be pretty nice, but we'll have to see. But next thing we can do is install the toilet. Okay, just like that, we got a toilet all installed. Unfortunately, the plumbing's a little different, so I had to stop by the store and get something else. But now, we're ready for the shower curtain. And we got one that kind of not straight, it bows out a little bit. So let's try it out. Okay, so we got the shower curtain installed, we got the shower little accessories installed. Next thing we do is actually install the sliding door. So we got the little rail up top already done, so let's get this thing on. Okay, so we got the door installed. That's pretty nice. Got the little bracket on the bottom installed. We're still gonna have to put like a little railing or something right here where it locks it. But for now, progress.
All right, guys, here we go. All this progress being made. The bathroom is definitely being restored, even better than OEM. I think it looks really nice, really clean. I love the modern white and black theme going on it. The tiles came out great. Honestly, it looks like they're legit tiles. And I think it's even better for a camper because they're lightweight. We're not putting too much on the walls because you don't want to add too much weight on the campers themselves.
Also, they're kind of soft, so like when you're driving and you bump into it, it's not that bad.
It's not gonna be that cold. It's not gonna break. Not gonna brittle. I mean, it's
not gonna expand. It's not gonna crack. You know? So
I definitely think it was a great choice for the camper to have these things. It looks really clean. I mean, the seams are nice. It turned out very, you know, in order and everything like that. So that's pretty good. We're kind of worried about it as our first time. It was pretty affordable too. Amazon basically stickers and got on there pretty good.
Also, what do you think about the sliding door, Michael?
Oh, this thing turned out real nice. I mean, automotive paint. It's the black and the white.
And it doesn't like, I've got the bottom bracket installed, so it doesn't, you know, we still got to install a little stopper on it.
Yeah.
We got to find that thing.
Yeah, definitely, because you don't want it sliding around when you're driving. Also, when you go to the bathroom, it'd be nice to be able to close it. So that would be nice. So we still have a little bit of work to do in the bathroom, honestly.
I'd say it's like almost 99% there.
80%, but yeah, sounds good.
Also, check out the shower head I've been working on.
Yeah, we still got some work going on there.
I kind of adjusted it a little bit to see if that would work better. But get in there, see if it actually would hit you. Because every time I walked in, I would like... So what do you think about that, having a little S in there?
I like it. I mean, usually the campers and showers have this like little dinky little shower thing. This thing you can turn on, you're gonna have a lot of volume, hopefully a lot of water coming down. Looks very modern. It's not
We just
bad.
have to go and actually find the exact tube to make that a little angle.
Right.
And that should be nice.
I think we move it back a little bit and we get the right fittings. I mean, it's gonna be nice. I love the skylight here. Definitely gives you more clearance. I'm a pretty tall guy. Me and my brother are like 6 feet, so 6'1". So this is nice.
And also on the shower curtain, we got the edge one, so it's
Perfect.
actually really nice. And it was almost like perfectly long enough for the floor. So
Perfect. I do love how it curves out. It definitely gives you more space. I think hotel rooms do the same thing there. That is nice.
also, Michael, what do you think about I installed the toilet, and this is out of the other parts camper, but it's sitting a little tall.
It is a little tall, huh? I mean, I don't know. I mean,
It's like your feet are gonna dangle from it.
that's interesting. They have a step right there. I don't know why they
Let's sit down
elevated
really quick. You'll see what I
They
say.
elevated it like that so much. Wow.
Like your feet are gonna dangle.
Yeah, imagine my kids. Well, I mean, I guess you got some support, but hey, that was their design. I mean, I don't know. It is what it is.
I mean, we still gotta install like the toilet part where the toilet paper goes, but I don't want to install it until we got the door in and actually sit in it because I don't want to like bump into it.
Yeah, I guess just depends where you put it, but
And then we're gonna put like maybe a shower curtain or a shower towel, towel holder
towel
right there.
holder, yeah,
you know,
yeah,
definitely
that'd be
this wall
good.
right here, so that'll be nice.
we have the little cubby right here. It's not bad, but yeah, for sure, we still need some more things to make it comfortable and enjoyable.
Well, also we have to do is something on the shower wall to make to hold like the soap and stuff.
Right.
Maybe get like a little basket that'll hang from the top over there. But a lot of little progress. I mean, it's turning out really nice. There's a lot of progress going on. So
Yeah, definitely. A lot of room for imagination and just things we like to put on there. So it's coming together. I mean, definitely what a transformation from before and after. I mean, even if it wasn't burned, this looks really clean, really modern. It looks more like a 2020 now instead of a 2015. So we're updating it.
Not a 2021.
Maybe a 2021. We're gonna go that far. Let's go all the way. It is brand new. It is 2021 right now, so we could even sell as a 2022. I don't know how they work, but they market it that way. It's kind of funny. Very nice. But all right, guys, that's all the time we have for today. A lot of progress still, and a lot more things coming up. We'll finish this up. We got some cool ideas for the cabinets. I'm gonna put some LED lights in it. It's gonna be really cool. But make sure you stay tuned. Got the notification bell. Check out our merch shop. We appreciate all your support. Until next time.